Welcome! My name is Idan Abada, and today I'm going to show you how to unbox and set up your first humanoid robot. Those robots help us in the office, in our warehouses, and in our homes to do work every day. You will receive two boxes. One will be the robot itself, another one will be the batteries. Sometimes the batteries will be inside, sometimes will be separate, depending how they're shipped. We're going to start with the unboxing and the setup. Make sure you have a solid surface and a lot of space to set it up. And remember, humanoid robots are heavy, so make sure you can lift at least 80 pounds, 50 pounds. If not, ask for help for the first setup. Let's start with the unboxing. So inside the box, you'll have a briefcase to be able to carry the robot around. Take the briefcase out. You'll receive stickers to decorate your robot however you want, with different colors. And there's instructions here on how to do it. It's very simple. This is the remote control included to do basic things like move around and basic commands. Make sure you charge the batteries in full with the included charger before we begin. We're now gonna assemble the stand. We're gonna put the washer in, screw stand over here. The next step is to put the clip here to be able to stop the extender at the right height. And we're gonna screw the holder on top. The next step is to take out the robot from the briefcase and put it on the stand. Okay, so the robot is now started. You have to start it from the remote included. It will show you how to do lock mode, and then it will stand like this. I personally took it out of the stand and put it on the floor. Now you can fully control it using the remote, okay? You can control the speed as well from the remote, but this is a good start. It's extremely stable at this point. It will stay put. And then also we have some tricks that it has pre-programmed if you want to show off to your friends, but also making sure that you get familiar with the robot other than just walking. Make sure you have a lot of space for the tricks. I'm going to do a Kung Fu trick. No, it cannot do any task at your house yet, but it can show how humanoid robots work. And one day it will have hands, it will be able to do more than just doing tricks. It will be able to help you around the warehouse, to move boxes, maybe small assembly, and generally assisting you in your life for everyday things. Thank you so much for watching. If you like content like this, please leave a like and also comment below what do you think about humanoid robots, and would you get one and have one in your house? I think either way you will have one day in like 30 years or so. But would you get one? Let me know, and thank you so much for watching. Bye-bye.